Ready? So today, what was the total number? How many have joined, and what is the reason? What is the message?
Today, about 113 families, 482 voters already have joined from Motha and from CPM party. So how our government is working and how our honorable Prime Minister is working. On that basis, people's already they already have realized that without Bharatiya Janata Party, this Janajati's development won't be possible. So that's why they are coming every nook and corner and going. You have seen already, our leaders are also going. So people are running. Rather, I should say they are all running, not walking. They are running after Bharatiya Janata Party to be attached with this party. And I'm sure that in future, ensuing result, in the result you will find out our efforts and how these people will cast their votes in favor of it.
Sir, you in your speech have said some people are trying to confuse the indigenous people and as a whole the state people of the state. Who are these people? Why they are trying to confuse?
You don't understand why you want that from my mouth, I should say. Everybody understand, na? So it is not needed. Already everybody knows who is speaking what. So and the public here, the people who were present here, they also knew it. So I need not. I think need not say these things.
And you spoke about the village council election. Why it is getting delayed? You have put the allegation on some party.
No, you have seen that illegally they have done. Because 123 BC they have already by force, I think illegally they have made it. So they cannot be done because you have to take the permission and it is must as per law. You have to take the permission from the BC. And there is no existence of the BC. So that's why it is not possible, but they will do. And for that also from our department, this Tribal Welfare Ministry, they have already have written to them that you are doing wrong things. And even though they are doing all sort of these things.
They are saying that the village council tenure is already over.
Already over. So there is no existence of BC. So how without this BC formation, how they can create this 123 more BC? They cannot do it.
And about the recruitment, those are taking place without the concurrent of the finance. How it is possible?
It had been done for a long time in ADC, not during this time also. For a long time also, during CPM regime also they have done it. Now, without taking the concurrence of the state government, how they can give this employment? They cannot give. Recruitment cannot be possible there. So that's why they are facing this problem. And we are not responsible for that. They have to do it. So like that, every time they are not they are not in a position to run this ADC properly.
सर मोथा सुप्रीमो ने कहा है कि 28 में 25 सीट लेके एडीसी गवर्नमेंट फिर से दोबारा मोथा गवर्नमेंट में आएगा। इस तरफ से मोथा का तरफ से जो सुप्रीमो से कहा गया कि ऐसा रोमान स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग को दबाया जा रहा है, रोमान स्क्रिप्ट देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। इस बारे में आप क्या कहना है?
मैं तो थोड़ा अभी जो मैंने बात किया है ना, मैंने स्पीच आप सुने हो, हर चीज़ तो मैंने पूरा विस्तार से बात किया, तो मेरा आंसर तो उसी में है। तो फिर इसमें क्या आंसर देंगे? सब तो उसी में पूरा क्लियर मैंने बताया, मैंने तो पूरा क्लियर बताया, फिर दोबारा क्या उसमें बोलना है? क्लियर बताया, पहले भी बताया, अब आज भी बताया मैंने।
नहीं, साबरूम में जो जनसभा में जो कहा था वो
एक ही चीज़ बार बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये तो अननेसेसरी है।
लेकिन इस बार अलायंस में होगा सर?
नहीं, वो तो बात की बात है। अभी तो हम लोग यहाँ ऑपोजिशन में है ना, एडीसी में तो वी आर इन ऑपोजिशन। In ADC we are in opposition. We are not alliance in ADC.
Thanks.
Camera.
জগন্নাথ থাকবে ওইটা থাকবে ভারত মাতা কি ভারত মাতা কি বিজেপি 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 প্রফেসর ডক্টর মানিক সাহা প্রফেসর ডক্টর মানিক সাহা
কিন্তু দিনে দিন বেড়ে চলছে কি বলবেন?
এটা তো আমাদের মানে যেভাবে আমাদের কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার কাজ করছে মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীজির নেতৃত্বে দেখেছেন একের পর এক রাজ্য এখন ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির নেতৃত্বাধীন সরকার সেখানে গঠন হচ্ছে এবং সেটা কিন্তু কাজের বিনিময়েই হচ্ছে এবং সেই জায়গায় আমাদের ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যেও আমরা যেভাবে জনজাতিদের উন্নয়নে কাজ করছি এবং উন্নয়নের যে মেইন যে ক্রাইটেরিয়া সেটা হচ্ছে আইন শৃঙ্খলা। তো আমরা আইন শৃঙ্খলা যেভাবে এখন ত্রিপুরাতে আমরা সেটাকে আমরা প্রতিষ্ঠিত করেছি, যে কারণে মানুষ বুঝতে পারছে যে বিশেষ করে জনজাতি গোষ্ঠীর জনজাতিদের যদি উন্নয়ন করতে হয় তাহলে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি বা তার সরকার ছাড়া কোনোদিন সম্ভব। সেই কারণেই মানুষ এখন ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিতে যোগদান করতে ওনারা আসতে চাইছেন এবং শুধু তাই না, ওনারা কিন্তু কাজও করতে চাইছেন। তো সেই জায়গায় আজকে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির জনজাতিদের একটা বিরাট উন্নয়ন কিন্তু আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Come over here about violence. We have seen earlier such violence. Is there any such threat? Rajiv Bhattacharya, he had said that there is every apprehension that there may be attempt to destroy.
Everybody knows that what is their strength, only to create violence and to create confusion and to create this regionalisms and all these things, sentimental issues and all. Only they have this their weapons. Otherwise, they are not thinking for the people, for suffering people, and how to develop the people of Tripura, these tribal people. They are not bothered for that. So because of that, the persons or the party who actually cares for the next generation or people. They don't allow there. They should come here. They should settle and they should be in contact with the people. So because of that, in apprehension, they always try to burn our demolish our this party office. So this is their nature. What can we do? But from our side, we are restraining from our side. But I think it is enough.
Thank you, sir.